Hello everyone and welcome to another video, and as you can see we have some Pikachu stuff today. Here we have the Pikachu V from Shining Fates, and here we have the Pikachu eraser, and I'm actually gonna start with the eraser, so for now I'm gonna put this to the side. And inside we have Astral Radiance and Evolving Skies. Okay, let's open it up. So here we have Astral Radiance. Here we have Evolving Skies. And of course the Pikachu eraser. I'm gonna put him together with the other Pikachus in the middle. There we go. And I'm gonna start with Astral Radiance. Now there are some chase cards in this set that I really want. And one of them is the Full Art Jirachi. Okay, I'm gonna show you the code card first. For anyone who plays the game, I don't play the game. There you go. I don't do any card tricks either. I'm just gonna pull and see what we have. We have Teddiursa, Mantine, Scyther, Voltorb. Ooh, that's cool. Galarian Obstagoon. Alright. Our first hit. I'm gonna sleeve it up. There we go. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but compared to my first two videos, I put the camera a lot more like wider. And here we go with Evolving Skies. But I don't know if it's better for you guys to see now. But please let me know if this is better, or if it was better when the camera was closer. Because now everything is a lot more further away, of course. Code card. So yeah, please let me know. This was Evolving Skies, and my chase cards in here are actually all of the Leafeon cards, because well, Leafeon is my favorite evolution. Pikachu, hey Pikachu, Pikachu. Oh, that's a cool card. And another hit, by the way, another pull. I'm gonna sleeve it. There we go. Put these to the side. And that was already the two booster packs from that pack. So now we go on to Shining Fates. I'm so sorry for the noise. Let's see what we have inside. Here we have the code card. And there's also the Pikachu card. Hold on. Let me give you this first. There you go. And then the Pikachu V. Gonna sleeve that one as well. There we go. Let's throw everything away. And then the jumbo card, of course. There. And this one has, I'm so sorry, 4 booster packs of Shining Fates. And this set has a lot of beautiful cards. But there's one card that's my chase card in this set, and that's the full art Lapras V. I am still struggling with opening up these packs, by the way. There we go. That's one. And the code card for you guys. Yeah, so the full art Lapras. Oh. That's my chase card for Shining Fates. So let's hope we pull it. But yeah. More Pico V. Wow. And the rest of the cards. Yeah, so far we've had in every booster packs that we have had a hit. That's pretty cool. Okay. Then onto another one. The other one, I mean, sorry. Oh. I don't know if you can tell, but I am very nervous today. I don't know what it is. It's just a feeling I have today. I don't know why. But it already started before filming. I just had this weird feeling. I don't know what it is. Code card. When I was setting everything up, everything went wrong. I even forgot a lot of things to bring with me and stuff. Like, everything went wrong. Ooh, a Sobble. A shiny Sobble. That's cool. And, yeah. It was so weird. You know what? I'm actually gonna sleeve this one up. Just because it's shiny. There we go. Oh. We only have 2 packs left. It's going so fast, you guys. Like, really fast. Code card. Yeah, so this might be a shorter video. Because, well, I didn't have anything else to unpack that had anything to do with Pikachu, so... and I wanted it to be Pikachu stuff. I thought it was a fun idea. Weasel. And a Dreadnought. Alright. So yeah, last pack already. And not a full art Lapras yet. Aww. Well, maybe next time. If I can still get some Shining Fates, to be honest. Because it's hard to get Pokemon cards these days. Like, everything is sold out so fast. And yeah, it's just hard. You have to be glad when you can purchase something, you know? In these times. Code card. Cacnea. Ooh, Eevee. Eevee is so cute, but Leafeon is the best. Leafeon is my favorite evolution. Oh, a shiny Drizzle. Wow. Well, and that's it then. I'm also gonna sleeve him. And that's funny actually, because it's the evolution of Sobble. So that's pretty cool. That we pulled an evolution. And then of course we had the Pikachu from the box. We had more Pico. We had Trevenant. Yeah, I think it's Trevenant. Like I said in my video before, I am not used. Well, I don't know any of the newer Pokemon yet, so I don't know how to pronounce some of the names. And here we have the Galarian Obstagoon. Yeah, so please let me know if watching it from this point of view is better, or from like I had before, like closer by. Well, that was it, and I hope to see you in the next video then. Alright, see you, bye!